Start with the cube node. This cube isn't the final object, it's just the point grid we'll use to place our voxels. Increase the vertex count on all three axes. Now add an instance on points node. Next, create another cube node. This will become the voxel itself. Add a value node and plug it into the cube's size. That gives us a single control to adjust the voxel size. Connect this cube to the instance input of instance on points. Now create a second object in the scene. This is the mesh we'll use to reveal the voxel effect. Bring it into geometry nodes with an object info node and make sure it's set to relative so everything follows the object correctly. Add a geometry proximity node and connect the object's geometry to it. This node calculates how close every point is to the target object. After that, add a map range node. Adjust the minimum and maximum values like this. These values control how the distance is converted into a usable scale value. Now the voxels smoothly grow and shrink based on their distance from the object. Next, grab the location output from the object info node, add a distance node and a position node, connect position to one side of the distance node and the object's location to the other. This gives us the distance from every point to the object's center. Feed that distance into another map range node. Connect the main cube, the point grid, to the geometry input of delete geometry. Now take the output from that map range and plug it into the selection input of delete geometry. The reveal distance should stay consistent even when the object is scaled. To do that, take the scale output from object info, divide the distance using a math node set to divide, and feed the result into the map range. That compensates for object scaling automatically. In the shader editor, create two materials, one for the voxels and one for the main object. Finally, add two set material nodes. Assign one material to the voxel instances and another to the original mesh. For the finishing touch, enable bloom in the compositor to give the glowing voxels a much more cinematic look.